Test, test. Is this thing on? Is it even working? I have no idea. I don't even know what I'm doing. This is my first show ever. My name is Michelle Field, and I help women walk with confidence into the job or crown of their dreams. Welcome, and today I want to talk to you about doing things even when you're not prepared and not waiting for the perfect moment. I don't have a professional camera crew. I'm using the computer, my little laptop, to record this. I don't have professional makeup artists or professional hair people. So kind of what you see is what you get. There's not a whole lot in between. And I wanted to share with you today that you don't have to wait until the time is perfect, your life is perfect, and the stars have all aligned for you to move out and live in your dreams, to go for that dream job, to go for the crown if that's what you want. And so let me tell you a little bit about myself. I competed in pageants when I was in high school, but then didn't really do anything again until I was actually in my 40s. At that point, I was married, I had 4 kids, and it sounds like I probably had a pretty good life. But life had been pretty difficult for me. We had moved in 2002. Then in 2003, my father died of prostate cancer. 2004, my husband and I both had major surgery. 2005, we had a major car accident that left my middle son in the emergency room with a skull fracture and brain injury. I'm happy to say today he is a normal teenager, and that means exactly what it means. He's pretty normal. But I had gone through a lot of changes and a lot of stressors in my life, and my life was anything but perfect at that time. Then I decided to go ahead and compete in a pageant. And it was a Mrs. pageant, it was for married women, and life wasn't perfect. We weren't wealthy. I didn't have a ton of money. I didn't really even know what I was doing. I competed in a couple of pageants in high school, so I thought I knew what I was doing, but I really didn't. And it went well. I didn't do fabulously, but it was something for myself. It was a wonderful weekend where I had time to focus on just me, where I had a chance to feel beautiful, and where I learned a lot about who I really am as a person. Now, the next year, I looked into a different pageant system, and I worked with a coach, and I really knew what I was doing, and that year I won my state crown. And a few years later, even after some other things had gone wrong in my life, I went ahead and competed again and won a national pageant, which I won the title Mrs. United America Classic that was 2012. So I just want to encourage you today that no matter what your life looks like, whether it's perfect, you have millions of dollars that you can just give away, or you're struggling to make ends meet, I want to encourage you today to go after your dream. Stop waiting for everything to be perfect. Stop waiting for the stars to align. And one of the things I've read recently is you can correct and do course corrections once you're moving. God can't steer a parked car. I've heard that over and over again. So today, get out there, move, do something for you that's going to go towards your dream. And I hope that all your dreams are pageant perfect.